In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're reviewing important documents or studying on the go, learning how to effectively highlight text can save you time and help you stay organized. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC up and running on your device. Once you have that set up, open the PDF document that you'd like to work with. You can do this by launching Acrobat Pro DC and navigating to the particular file. It's important to ensure that the document is accessible and can have text selected. If it's a standard text file or has been processed for OCR, meaning optical character recognition, you're good to go. Now that you have your document open, it's time to access the highlighting tools. Look over to the right-hand pane of Acrobat Pro DC. You're going to want to find the comment tool, which is represented by a speech bubble icon. Clicking on this will open up a suite of annotation options that you can use to interact with your document. Amongst these options, look out for the Highlight Text tool. It generally resembles a highlighter pen, and you can often spot it when you hover over the different annotation options available. This tool is your key to marking out important sections in your document, making it visually easier to refer back to them later on. Once you've selected the Highlight Text tool, the next step is to choose the text that you want to highlight. Simply click at the beginning of the text you're interested in, then drag your cursor over it until you reach the end of the text. Release your click, and the text will be highlighted as planned. If there are several areas that need attention, you can repeat the same process of clicking and dragging for each section. At this point, you might want to mix up the colors of your highlights to differentiate between categories or levels of importance. To do this, all you need to do is select a portion of the highlighted text. This will bring up a formatting toolbar where you can see a color option. Click on it to reveal a variety of colors to choose from. Pick a shade that best suits your needs and apply it. Finally, it's crucial to save your changes to make sure all your hard work is preserved. Saving the document ensures that all your highlighted sections remain intact for future reference. Simply use the Save option in Acrobat Pro DC and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully highlighted text in a PDF using Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.